In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the earpiece sign from all VILLAON keypad button phones easily. Okay, if I remove this label, you're going to see that this is a VILLAON. This is a VILLAON keypad phone. This is a button phone. Okay, you can see the name VILLAON. All right, and the model of this one is V211. V211. That's the model number of this one I'm holding here. The customer brought it to me and complained that there's an earpiece sign on the screen. You can see it. Can you see? You can see that there's a earpiece sign on the screen there. So I after inquiring from the customer, she said that the phone fell inside water. And from my observation and working on this phone, I've discovered that this phone doesn't like water at all. Although electronics generally doesn't like water, but this one in particular, this product doesn't like water at all. This is a brand new phone. Okay, so now I've removed the panel and I'm going to show you right away how you can solve this. I'm just going to show you a jumper way, the easiest way you can jump by it so that it's going to work. Okay, so take a look very well. You see that the panel is very clean. This is a brand new phone. She just bought the phone up recently and she dropped it inside water. Okay, so now you are going to connect your jumper from this positive of the battery terminal to this point of the ear jack. Okay, so now let me get my jumper wire. Let me get my jumper wire and show you how to connect it. All right, so now let's go without wasting of time. So this is my jumper wire. Let me cut the length I want. Let me use my razor and cut the length I want. So now I'm done cutting the length. So now I'm going to use my razor to peel off the coating from the wire so that my lead is going to work on the wire. All right, so that the wire can also work effectively. Okay, so now let's remove the coating. I'm removing the coating, as you can see. All right, so watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to solve this particular issue on all VILLAON keypad phone. All right, all VILLAON button phone. This is the easiest way to remove the earpiece sign from the phone. Okay, and this is a jumper method and it's working 100%. So now I want to use my soldering iron now to apply my lead. Now. So take a look. I'm going to apply the lead to the positive of the battery terminal. You can see I'm applying my lead now. You can see I'm done. So I'm going to take my running wire or my jumper wire. I'm connecting now. You can see I'm connecting now. You can see I'm done. That is first connection to the battery positive of the battery terminal. Now the second point I'm going to show you right away. This is the second point to that earpiece jack at the back. That is the position. That is the second position. Okay, so I'm also going to apply the lead to the running wire to this end. All right, so I'll soon be done. Okay, engineers, please take your time. Okay, take your time. All right, so this is the point. I'm connecting it now. This is the back leg of the earpiece jack. Can you see? I'm done with the connection. Take a look at very well. You can see I didn't bridge it to any other point. You can see I'm done. So now let me arrange the wire so that it doesn't malfunction inside the phone or cause the phone to malfunction. All right, so let me arrange it very well. Can you see? I'm done. So now I'm going to put the panel into the casing and then test it and prove to you that yes, it is working. All right, please do well to like this video, share, drop your thoughts, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And in case you want to watch other of our videos on this channel on phone repairs, check our playlist. You see all of them there, either on power bank, a Bluetooth speaker, Android phones, flashing, and so on. Click on the channel, you get all of them there. All right. So now I'm coupling the phone now. Let me put the light switch. That is the rubber. I'm putting the rubber now so that I can put my battery. Okay. So I'm done with that. So now let me insert my battery and test it to show that yes, it is working 100%. So 1, 2, go. Can you see the phone has come up? Can you see? Hope you hear the sound. I believe you heard the sound as it came up. Hope you heard the sound. So you can see that there's no earpiece sign on the screen anymore. Can you see? Can you see? There's no more earpiece sign. So this actually works. Okay, my dear technician, thank you for watching. Please check out our playlist, our channel, for more videos like this and other interesting one on this channel. So I'm done coupling the phone. So now let's on it and see. So now can you see it's working? So thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.